How to enable or disable Speak Keyboard Input Aloud on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on vision enhancements and then scroll down and tap on Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now tap on the left hand side panel. In here you can choose what to read. Do you want it to read aloud, characters, or words, or both characters and words? You can also set it to read capital letters by saying capital in capital, or do nothing, change pitch, or play sound. And here you can also choose to turn on or turn off read deleted characters aloud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.